Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notification settings, click on it. When you just click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on notification categories, click on it here. When you just click on it, you come to this list here. Then you come here to your topic by someone I follow here. So then you click in this sign, then like you see this color show for us. That's mean your topic by someone I follow enable with us now for notifications. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.